Hi everyone, how's it going? This is Nicholas with WPS 89, the climate balloons. I've been working on this project for the last, say 2 weeks since I submitted the proposal, and I've made great progress. So I've got the things Uno here, which by itself just sends messages over radio frequency network. So I've been working with this and a BME 280 for those who just skim the proposal and didn't read the whole thing. I understand. This is just a temperature, humidity, and pressure sensor. I soldered part of this onto here, and I kind of burnt it. I fried it. I didn't realize it was 3.3 volts, and I put 5, so this is fried. Fortunately, these things are only $8, so I plan to get a new one tomorrow. Here's some of the code that I've posted on. Actually, I have not posted on GitHub yet, but this is the Arduino sketch that I've been working on, in addition to the blockchain code that is on GitHub. It just is a whole bunch of statements that are telling it to register with the Things network. And down here, all we're doing is grabbing from the BME pressure, temperature, humidity, and encoding it and submitting it to the network. So yeah, pretty straightforward. I haven't been able to get off the data off the BME, but I plan on doing a test launch upstairs. So let's go up there now. So as some of you know, I'm in St. Louis, Missouri. It's a beautiful day outside. It's pretty cold here. It got down to 30 this morning. But anyway, so why I'm up here, I found out through the Things network. I went online and I looked for certain gateways that are in the area. I was able to find one that's right across the way from my building. And instead of getting my own gateway, I decided to use this one. So what I'm doing is I'm going on my roof right now, going to get the Arduino going, let it send the LoRa packets across the way here. This is downtown St. Louis. I don't know if you can actually see the arch, but just across the way there is a gateway. So I want to connect the OTAA, so over the air activation. I didn't have success with it this morning, and it wasn't because I did something wrong. It was actually able to see it, but it didn't forward to the network, and I think it's because of the gateway. So I emailed the owner of the gateway to see if he has it working. I'll show you what I mean. So if I come over here, here's my sketch. What I'm gonna do is bring here, I'm gonna upload what I currently have. This is a visualization of the IoT data as it comes across, so this isn't necessarily what goes on the Telos blockchain. This is what's going to the Things network console, so this is part of the process of getting it onto the blockchain. So this is gonna get all of the data, and then eventually we'll push parts of the data to the blockchain, because as many of you know, the blockchain is resource intensive, so it can't handle a lot of data, and that's the purpose of this. So you can see here the join is not accepted, but we don't see data across, so normally we'd be getting data coming through here. Let's get a little closer to the edge and see if we can actually get some data. I'm gonna bring this. The wind died down for a second, so this is perfect. Sorry, it's hard to handle this thing. All right, so coming to the edge right now. don't get any activations yet. Maybe my cell coverage. It was working before. Not sure why it is now. It may be related to the issues I was having with the prior uplinks. But yeah, just debugging. This is a short-term solution, so hopefully next weekend when I launch the actual balloon, I'll get better results and be able to find a gateway that actually works. All right, thanks guys.